Hey guys, it's me. Today, me and my cousin. He talks in Spanish. He's getting came over here hiking, and you can see I'm kind of. I took all my shit off. And you can see stuff over there. My mom came here too, but he's in the back and I'm looking for her. Wait, chicken, I'm your mama. Jeez. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Just, why is the... you can't see it, right? That guy right there is running with no shirt. It's weird. I'm with a muscle shirt. Yeah, why would it go? And we might go to the sun. Just kidding. Does that hurt your eyes? Looks like a big giant ball. For me. Well, we're going right there in the end of that mountain. So, oh shoot. Okay, let's go. Yellow. No. I don't see them. Yeah. Oh yeah, in the beginning of this hike, you saw a bunny. A jack bunny or jack rabbit. Whatever it's called. There's a lot of cactus. I'm in Arizona. I live in Arizona. You used to visit my house, but like I'm new here. I don't really know. I'm not used to my house. I want to turn towards this. Ew. Sorry if this bothers the camera moving. I can't do anything about it. Oh, good. But oh yeah, in the beginning of this video, we took a break. Sorry about that. No quiero. Eso está atorado ahí.
Llevamos 5 octavos de milla.
Oh. ¿Pero de qué? ¿Para llegar arriba?
No, de milla. Para recorrer una milla.
Oh. I hope we find snakes. I always want to find a snake or a scorpion. Or whatever desert animals. The only desert animal I found were birds and jackrabbits. My voice kind of changing because I'm tired. And it's hard for me because I'm holding the camera. Oh shoot. Espérame.